Child trafficking on the occasion of World Day Against Human Trafficking was organized by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) along with the support of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights (SCPCR) and the West Jhanta Hills District Administration in the conference room in DC's office today. The main objective of the campaign is to sensitize the key stakeholders on basic indicators to identify children at risk, vulnerable children, and prevention and combating child trafficking in bordering districts of the country. SCPCR Chairperson Yamon M. Aim explained the several factors that contribute to child trafficking and the need to be vigilant about the problem of child trafficking. NCPCR Senior Technical Expert Srimati Shaista Kesha gave a presentation on protection of rights of a child, prevention and combating strategy to prevent child trafficking in the country. Speaking on the role of the police department, Superintendent of Police Shri Bikram Marak said the district police are taking all measures to prevent child trafficking. Earlier, DC in charge Shri P.K. Boro welcomed the resource persons and participants to the program. All those who attended the function felt that such a sensitization program on combating child trafficking is very crucial and needed support from all angles for the safety of children from the hands of people who abuse them in so many different forms. Present at the function were the Child Welfare Committee members, police officers and staff from the District Child Protection Unit, Jowai.
These organized criminals, we can term it as a multi-players. They are not a single player, multi-players. These include spotters, one who spot the children, one who spot the victim, then recruiters, spotters, recruiters, then comes transporters and harborers, financiers, and at the last it's called end abusers, means when the child is trafficked. These are we will call it as a stakeholders in the crime. We call it as a stakeholders in the crime. Right from the spotters till the end users. They are multiplayers in all the stages. And single player will not play till the end. That is what we come to know in this particular crime. And it involves not only one location. And in the subject matter itself it is mentioned. Why our district is chosen? Because we share the international border with Bangladesh, which is very easy to traffic to the other nation. Because these traffickers normally does not confine to one place. They go from state to state, nation to nation. The children belonging to the marginalized communities are usually the victims.
Trafficking is one of the most lucrative, money-making kind of business, organized crime. Some say after drugs, some say after arms. Yeah, arms, we are so paranoid that the whole world, consider arms. But then actually they are the three wicked trio, like arms, drugs, as well as trafficking the human flesh. So this is something for us to remember. That's why it's worth them do anything. Traffickers will do anything to get that extra buck. And also, in a way, it's more convenient. I'm sure the police personnel would know this. It's more convenient in the sense that you don't have to put them, you don't have to kind of put contraband in a box or something like that. There are ways of getting away with that, right? So this is something why it seems to be increasing, especially after the pandemic, when some push factors are there. One is economic kind of push. A lot of people have lost their jobs, and just to remind everybody that there are a lot of women who are single parent and they are really stressed. They have been left, they are isolated. So if you look at the data, and if there have been studies in various parts where they see that the other day I also mentioned the feminization of poverty. A lot of women are poor.